Want to go somewhere fun for you and the family? Add this to your list: Mammoth National Park. Go online to make your reservation and buy your tickets for which cave you want to explore, and then go to the visitor center. There are 6 different tour routes to consider. We picked the historic tour. It's a self-guided one. When I come back here, I definitely want to go on the Violet City Lantern Tour. There are park rangers along the way, so make sure to stop and ask them questions and make sure you're on the right path to get to where you want to go. And make sure to arrive early. When you're driving into the park, just know that your GPS is not going to work. So study Google Maps to know how to get in and out of the park. Another reason to arrive early is you get to stop and read all of the plaques and learn about the cave system. And you definitely learn more about geology. We are making our way down the path. We're at Mammoth Cave. We brought our jackets because it's going to be like 54 degrees in the cave. We picked one of the many tours you can take. We're doing the self-guided tour. Over here is a guided tour. Do you see the vintage lanterns that they're all holding? They are taking that lantern tour that I mentioned earlier. Down we go. I'm getting excited.
Oh.
You know, Mom, can you get a photo of me right here?
Yeah.
Or maybe I'll do
Selfie. It's a bit low here. Look, that is barely above her head. We are on the historic cave tour. Oh yeah, the Twilight Zone. We just walked down the 60 steps.
the Twilight Zone.
To get down in here. We walked down the long hallway and now we're coming into the big giant opening of the cave. This is a memorial to the fallen comrades in Kentucky and of the American dead of the World War. A lot of these caves in and around Mammoth Cave and around the whole area were all mined for saltpeter, and now they're used for tourism. Mammoth Cave is very different from other cave systems. It does not form stalactites or stalagmites because it's not a wet cave. There is so much to learn by reading the plaques. You can't go down this way, it all caved in. I'm at the back of where the trail ends for touring the cave. There's looking back up the way. They stop you here. I wonder if it goes further though. Probably. So they did a sleep and wakefulness experiment down here for a month. And the younger guy switched to a 28-hour day and the older guy stayed on a 24-hour cycle. There is evidence that this cave has been used by humans for thousands of years. There was evidence of human activity, and they were taking minerals out, but they're not sure what they were using them for. It is just so beautiful and serene. In the 18th century, there was a lot of mining going on. They were mining out the saltpeter. Saltpeter is used to make gunpowder, and they used enslaved African Americans to do all the labor. It's easy to come down the steps, but it's a little harder going up because they're kind of steep. So keep that in mind if you're coming for a visit. Well, we took the self-guided tour. We're heading out and have to go up all those stairs. Gotta walk past the waterfall. As cold and dark as it is, it's hard to believe that it's bright and sunny outside. See these little huts over here? You come out and it's a special mat to clean your feet. Has to do with the bats to keep them disease free. These look like steps, but it looks like more like water just runs down there. I just asked Green Bee Explorer
If I wanted to go for a walk, she knows the answer. Yes.
Trail walking. We are above ground. It is so hot. I gotta take my jacket off. I unzipped it. It's just so beautiful. And today is July 11th? 12th? 11th, I think. I don't know. It's Saturday. I think it's the 11th. I gotta watch where I'm walking. This is kind of uneven here. Mammoth Cave, the national park, the whole thing is such an adventure. There are multiple caves, multiple caves, and all kinds of touring. And also in the area, there's other cave tours. There's even one where you get in boats and they boat you around the cave. Fallen trees always grow mushrooms.
They're not edible.
These are dead tree mushrooms. We don't know what kind.
Oh, check out the slugs. Look what they're doing. They're eating the spores. Check that out. Oh my gosh. Look really close. You see these white spores right here? I'm going to show you right below it is a slug eating the spores. Or is it making the spore? I think it's eating it. But over here, look at these white ones. They're almost like crystals. Isn't that incredible? I've never seen that before. It's pretty cool.
That's a really neat looking mushroom.
Your camera sent it better. What was there?
She's investigating. I said that looks like a cave entrance. And I don't want to walk the whole way up there and have to walk back. That is not part of the trail. Oh, she just went in there. That is a cave. Oh, she's right at the entrance. I see her. I can hear her talking. Also check out her channel, Green Bee Explorer. Does it go in very far?
It goes about like 5 feet in.
Okay. Just when I thought this trail was just gonna go on forever in one direction, we found stairs. Oh, I can hear people. Oh, there is people down there. Way, way down there. said stay on trail. Yeah, there's no way I'm going down in the wilderness there. And we dress for winter because the caves are so cold. Warning, Indiana bat hibernating cave. Oh yeah, don't go in. Oh, look at that. Oh, I want to go up in the observation deck and look down. Let's hurry up and get in there. Or on there, I should say. Oh, picnic area in 0.1 meter. Oh, all these different cave systems. So they expect at some point those might meet. Maybe not, maybe never. And down there they go. They said that the bats learned over generations to avoid the humans. So they know where to go and stay and not be with all of the people touring the caves. A long winter's nap, and there they are. Now, they look big in that picture, but I don't think they're all that.
The size of kiwis.
Kiwis. There she just, the bat ranger down there. Or Batwoman, I should say. Oh, here's all the different bats. So we are taking the stairs so we can get in leg day to get back to the visitor center.
Back to the visitor center, which is that way.
No, it said this way.
Do you hear her whining?
Oh, speaking of wine.
Oh, she wants wine.
Some wine and some cheese to go with that wine. I knew Michigan was underwater at one point. I kept finding shells and lots of sand and clay in my own backyard. So it turns out 330 million years ago, Kentucky and actually the whole Midwest was under a shallow ocean. And it was tropical too. Here's all the different layers of rock and how they stack up on top of each other. This is another educational area. It's inside of the visitor center. And in Mammoth Cave, the life in the dark even includes fish. And this is a 3D rendering of the whole cave system that has been explored so far. We can't just leave the whole park without checking out other things to do. This is Sloan's Crossing Pond Walk. Do not feed the wildlife. I like the boardwalk. That's nice. Oh, it's overlook. There is also educational plaques around the lake, so you can learn all about it. This is what it looked like in 1936. So the pond appeared in 1936, I think the sign said. And at one point there was beavers here, but there's no longer beavers. They said that the cattails take over and the Park Service has to come in and dig them out, because this would eventually just fill in with cattails and there wouldn't be a pond left. There's turtles in there.
Oh, that's a big one. The one coming towards us.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the distance. Oh, that's another big guy. Gosh.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of
I've
turtles.
never seen them so big before. Don't drop your phone in.
Ooh, he is jumping away. Oh, he's still there. Thanks for watching.